Listen, I absolutely have no idea who needs to hear this, but if by any chance you came across this video, then this urgent message definitely belongs to you. Save this video so you don't miss out, because this urgent message is directly coming from your guides. Alright, so I'm seeing that you are manifesting reunion with someone. If you guys are in no contact situation, then this reading is for you. I see that you have choices, but you just can't get this one person out of your head. Like, you want them. Anyhow, you just want them. Your heart literally aches for this person. You have this burning desire to be with them. You want to contact them, you want to reach out to them, but there is something that's stopping you, and it might be that you want them to contact you first, right? I see that you are willing to put in the work this relationship needs, but at the same time, I'm catching these energies of you being confused regarding their feelings towards you. You don't know if this person wants to be with you or not, if this person have that same burning desire as yours or not. The communication is also not up to mark. You guys are having this on and off situation, or in some cases you might not be in contact from past few months now, and I see that you have this urge. You want to know if this person's heart aches for you as well or not. And from distant, I'm hearing that they do. They definitely do. They do have these feelings for you. They still feels for you. They still have those, they still blush when your name comes in their head. This connection deserves a chance. You have some unfinished business together that needs to be done, and it's not the end. You might feel like it's the end, but it's actually not. You might wonder that if it's not the end, then why this person haven't contacted you. But I just want to ask you, are you actually ready for reunion or not? Or you're just making your mind and thinking whether I should be with this person or not, whether I should give this person a chance or not. You are still in your delusional thoughts, right? And your delusional behavior towards them is creating resistance in the reunion process. Just ask yourself, do you really want this person to reach out to you? And if the answer is yes, then this person is going to reach out to you. This person is going to contact you in upcoming 2 to 4 weeks. Make sure you are ready for this reunion. Make sure you acknowledge their efforts, because the burning desire is from their end as well. They also wanted to make things work with you. They have never been with someone as beautiful and charming as you. You might receive an intense call or a message from their end. Something beautiful will come out of this conversation. Either you'll get that clarity or you will head towards a fresh start. Either way, it's a win-win situation for you. Do let me know if this reading resonates with you. Type thank you, I'm ready for reunion in the comment section. Let your guides know that their message have reached you now. Also, if you would like to book a private session with me, tap link in bio, stand.store/spiritual peace tarot. Thank you and have a beautiful day.